Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 23 how to turn off autoplay on your YouTube account on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser itself, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you're signed into the account, and then go to YouTube itself. Or we can scroll down, click on a video that we see from Creator Insider. And now to turn off autoplay, go to the right hand top corner of the screen, click on autoplay. When autoplay is enabled, a suggested video will automatically play next. Click on this. And now once the video we are watching comes to an end, the next video no longer plays itself. And that's why autoplay was turned off. We did that for a reason. That's what this video is about. So we can now quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.